All right, guys, welcome back to Beauty Over 40. So today we are going to be putting together my skincare fridge. Okay, so if you want to help me decide on putting my skincare in my fridge, stay tuned.
I'm down if you're down. Let's ride out right now. We'll go where there ain't no crowds. Somewhere underneath the clouds. I'm down if you're down.
So, skincare fridge trending. They've been trending for a while. I've been wanting one for a minute ever since I've seen them. So, Santa Claus brought me one. Thank you, Aisha. My daughter got me one for Christmas. So, you asked, why a skincare fridge? I'm glad you asked. You know, when it's cold outside, you have rings on your fingers shrink, right? So my explanation in that manner is, you know, when you put something cold on your face, it kind of shrinks your pores. But aside from my little explanation, and you know what, also I have a client, her skin, I don't know what her ethnicity is. Anyway, I have a client, before I do her makeup, she always put ice on her face. Like, she would just take a cube of ice and put it on her face. Like, she has no pores, none at all. Having a skincare fridge or putting your products in a refrigerator is going to extend the shelf life of your products. So refrigerating your moisturizer, serum, toners, masks, things of that nature is going to, of course, have a cooling effect to your skin that's going to help constrict or shrink your blood vessels, okay, which is going to shrink your pores, right? It's also going to help with under eye bags, and it's also going to calm any inflammation you may have within your skin. So for these reasons, this is why I wanted to invest in a skincare fridge, and it's getting cold already. I just plugged it up, so I'm going to be showing you what I'm going to be putting in my skincare fridge. Okay, here's the skincare fridge. Of course, you know, it's a mini fridge, okay? So let me pick this up. Okay, that's the outside of it. It's the little handle to open it. And here is the inside. Whoops. It's pretty deep, as you can see. Okay, you can just hear I turned it on. It's on cold. So we're gonna get this baby going. Let's put some stuff in here. Okay. Alrighty, I'm excited about this. I love the fact that it has a little shelf in it, but my toners would not fit in there with the shelf. So I think what I'm going to do is remove the shelf, put that away for now. So I'm going to be adding in my Dickinson's Witch Hazel. You guys know I love my Dickinson's Witch Hazel. I'm going to also add the depuffing eye gel. And if you guys can remember, if you've been following me for a while, Dickinson's actually a while back sent me these products, and I still use them. The toners, you guys, like, I've gone through, look at that. I've gone through that one. You can see that little bit. So again, I film in my basement, so it is already a little chilly down here. So for the most part, a lot of stuff is already cold. But this is just gonna amp it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to put in my depuffing eye gel. I'm going to put that in there. And then, I'm going to, of course, put my Advanced Night Repair inside. Excited about that. I have a eye serum, my Advanced Night Repair Supercharged Complex. I'm going to be putting that in there. And of course, you got to put your moisturizer in there. And for my moisture right now, I am using the Nutritious Super Pomegranate Radiant Energy Moisture Cream. I really love this one. I just started using this one within the last couple weeks. Like that one. Put that baby in the back. All right, and let's see what else. I have a lip balm I'm going to add in there. Lip Revitalizer. This is by Ruby Kisses. Let's put him in the back. I will be, of course, adding my lip oil in there also. It's upstairs in my purse. I'm trying to think. Let's go ahead and let's try our primer in there. You guys, I'm trying to shrink these pores. My pore problem is here. It's where my pore problem is. So we want to shrink all of that, okay? So let's go ahead and add our primer inside. We have quite a few things in there and a little bit more space. Here's a serum. I think this came in a boxycharm. I think that came in boxycharm. Kypress Antioxidant Dew Serum, so we will add that in there. And also, this is a serum of ferulic acid with vitamin E facial serum. This is a firming facial serum. I haven't really shown this on camera, but you can see that I have been using this. I've been using this about, I guess about a couple months. A little bit goes a long way. I've been using that. So I will add that inside. And you know what, guys, to be honest, my toner, this takes up a lot of space, so I'm gonna add it in now, but I'm probably gonna be looking for something to add this in so it doesn't take up much space. We could actually get a few more things in there. I have an extra moisturizer that I haven't opened yet. Well, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and add this one in here. Again, another benefit of having a skincare fridge is extending the shelf life of your products. That's moisturizers, toners, eye creams, masks. So I'm going to, let me put that one on the bottom since I'm using the other one. Guys, I'm really excited about this. So yeah, we've gotten all these things inside, and actually, you know, we have room for much more. So I'm gonna put my eye cream here at the top. I don't use this one that often, but here is a serum from the Body Shop. Okay, we can get that in there. We got our Advanced Night Repair, our depuffing cream. I'm gonna try my primer in there just to see how that works. I have the ferulic acid inside. I'm excited about this little thing. I really am. Okay, my depuffing cream. I got my eye serum in there. My lip moisturizer. Okay. I could probably fit a few more things in there, but I have another serum here. This one is wrinkle lifting serum. I'm gonna see if I can get that in there. All set, guys. I'm excited about this skincare fridge. There it is. So I wanted to come back on and show you guys how I have everything in here. I'm not going to be moving anything around because like everything is on the edge, but once it's closed, it's closed. So I have my primer right here. I have my lip revitalizer. I have wipes over here. This actually is my toner. My toner, it fit in here, but it took up a lot of space because, so it was pretty big, so it would have took up quite a bit of the space. So I decided not to put it in there. I use this iconic bottle. It still had a little bit of the illuminating in the bottom. It's fine. My wipes, I have a serum here from the Body Shop, and I have my Advanced Night Repair right here. This is the ferulic acid with the vitamin E. There's the serum back here that I got from, I think it was BoxyCharm. Depuffing eye cream from Dickinson's. And then I have an eye serum down there. And then I have my wrinkle lifting serum in there. Or I have two full-size moisturizers, and those sizes are 1.7. So like I said, I just wanted to come back on and show you guys. All right, there it is. So you can see everything a little bit better now. But it's quite a few things in there. If I reposition things, I could probably fit some more things at the top. But for now, these are the main ones that I use on my face. So, and then today was actually the first day because I set it up on Saturday. Today for work was the first day that I actually used my products since it had been in the refrigerator. And I actually love it. The items were cooling to my face. I did see that my pores did shrink up a little bit. So, and it is really cool to the touch. Well, it's cold actually. It's very cold to the touch, and then also when you put it on your face. So, all right, you guys saw all of the items I put inside. I have 12 items in there, and if I stack, I could probably fit about 3 or 4 more items inside. So, there are so many different skincare fridges out right now, ranging from low end to high end. So if you guys are interested in any, I will have a link down below. You guys can check that out. Like I said, there's a wide variety of skincare fridges right now. So if you want to check out the ones I posted below, down in the description bar, let me know what you guys thinking about having a skincare fridge. If you guys have a skincare fridge, how are you enjoying it? What are some of the things that you have in your skincare fridge? That is it for now. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at LRH Makeup and also _beauty over40. And of course, if you're not following me here on YouTube, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications. That way you will be notified when I upload new content. And so that is it for now. Thank you guys for helping me organize my skincare fridge. And so for now, that is it. Until next time, remember the best makeup you can wear is confidence. Bye.